Welcome to Innovative Kids Educational Channel.
I think this is my new school.
Welcome. Don't be nervous. You are safe here.
Everything looks so new. A new student. I wonder who he is. I hope they like me.
Sit here. This seat is yours.
I don't know anyone here. Hi. You look new here.
Today, we will learn English basics.
I hope I can do it. I can help you if you want. Really? Thank you.
Everyone repeat after me.
Hello? Hello? I can do this. Ha ha ha. Don't worry. I will help you. Really? Thank you so much.
Repeat after me, everyone.
I am learning English. Yes! You are doing great.
What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer?
I think the answer is A.
Correct. Very good.
I did it. I did it. I told you, you can do it. I hope they like me.
Be kind to each other. I must try harder.
This word is like this. Oh, I understand now.
Excellent progress. You are a fast learner.
I am getting better. Maybe I can make friends.
Write 5 sentences.
I will try my best. Start like this. Yes, I can do this.
Very good work, Allie.
I am not scared anymore. Break time. I don't know what to do. Come with me. Don't stay alone. Let's play together. Okay, I will try. I don't know how to play. Just try. Yay! Oh no, I missed it. It's okay. Try again. I will do it this time. Good job! I did it! This is fun. This is fun. I told you. You can do it. I think I like this school. We are friends now. Yes. Friends? I feel different now.
Time to return to class.
I am not scared anymore.
Let's do a small test.
Don't worry, I will help. What is the answer?
Yes?
I got it right! Well done!
This is difficult.
Oh, think carefully.
I don't understand. The answer is C. Let me help you.
Good teamwork.
I feel happy here. You are amazing today. I was scared before. Not now. I belong here. You are not alone anymore.
Really? You mean it?
Yes, we are friends now.
I am proud of you both.
I never had friends like this. Now you do. Sir, am I improving?
Yes, you are doing very well.
I feel confident now. You are learning fast. I can speak English now. Oh.
Repeat after me correctly.
Yes, I got it. Oh.
Bye, Meg!
You are becoming smart. This is fun.
Excellent teamwork. Excellent teamwork.
I was scared before. Not anymore. I belong here now. Today changed me.
Good job today. Ready to go home?
Time passed so fast. Yes, I am happy. My first day was amazing. I don't know if I can do this. Tomorrow will be even better. I was nervous, but now I'm strong. You are brave. I will study hard. I will never forget this day.
See you tomorrow.
Friendship starts like this. This school is my new life. Every first day changes you. I am not the same anymore. I feel proud of myself. This is my new beginning.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.